In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an image placeholder in PowerPoint. This simple yet powerful technique will help you design professional looking slides, allowing you to insert images seamlessly into your presentation. Let's dive right in. First things first, you need to open PowerPoint on your computer. Once the application is running, navigate to the specific presentation you want to work on, or create a new presentation if you're starting from scratch. This sets the stage for everything you'll be doing next. When your presentation is open and ready, direct your attention to one of the most useful tabs in PowerPoint, the View tab. You'll find it conveniently positioned in the menu bar at the top of your screen. Clicking on this tab will reveal a variety of options related to how you can view and work on your slides, which is crucial for the following steps. Next, you'll be selecting the Slide Master option. You can think of the Slide Master as the blueprint for your slides. It controls the overall look, feel, and content for your presentation, making it an essential tool for consistent design management. By clicking on Slide Master, you open a new view where you can edit master slides. This view allows you to insert elements that will appear on all your slides. Adding an image placeholder is one of these elements. Once you are in Slide Master view, focus on the left panel, displaying the slide layouts that control the structure of your presentation. Now, click on the second slide from this left panel. Selecting this particular slide is crucial since it typically represents the layout used for most of your slides in a presentation. With this slide selected, it's time to insert a placeholder. Look to the Slide Master tab in the ribbon at the top for an option labeled Insert Placeholder. This is where you can get creative. A variety of placeholder types will appear, but for our purpose, we'll choose the picture option. By selecting the picture placeholder, you're effectively creating a dedicated space where pictures can be easily inserted. This ensures that whenever a picture is added, it fits perfectly within the design parameters you've established. As you finish setting up the image placeholder, you'll notice that this addition provides a clean, organized method for managing visuals in your presentation. With this placeholder, you or anyone else using this template can simply drag and drop images, achieving a polished and uniform look across multiple slides. In conclusion, whether for business, educational, or personal presentations, mastering this tool can elevate your slides, making them not only visually appealing but also highly functional. Now that you know how, give it a try and witness the difference a well-designed image placeholder can make. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.